It is a beautiful Sunday morning, April 28th, and we are going to go check out the lakes and see what is going on. Wilderness entry points 51 and 52, which is of course Round Lake. And look at that. That is a sight for sore eyes for sure. The lake is about half open. At this point, we don't even need warmth to bust open the lake. We just need some wind, and that'll be that. The lake will be wide open. Could happen today or tomorrow or the next day, but it will not be long. Look at that. That thing is underwater. This is Cross Bay, or the launch for the Cross Bay entry point. This is the Cross River right here. And the water is high. Holy moly. Given that there's this much water flowing through here, I'm going to say that Ham Lake is probably open and Cross Bay Lake is certainly open. So if you're looking for an early season trip, I'd say this is your best bet for not running into any ice at all. It's probably wide open all the way down to Long Island at least. Sag Corridor. And I'm actually surprised by how much ice is here. I was thinking this would be wide open and we'd be putting our dock in tomorrow, but we got a few more days yet. But it won't be long. Seagull. And it's looking pretty promising. There's a big crack kind of straight ahead there going over to Wilderness Canoe Base that runs way out. All we need is some wind, and I think that this end of the lake will break up. Around the point here, we're at the public landing, but around the point that direction is very open too, because that's where Seagull Creek flows in. But it won't be long now.